All characters appearing in this work are living birds and animals. However, any resemblance to real persons, living, dead, or undead, is purely coincidental. They all must be coming from this hill. Who knows? The truth is that they come every day. They make your life less miserable in this concrete jungle. By the way, our hill itself is amazing to look at. She plays hide and seek on monsoon days. When sun shines, she is beautiful like a girl on her wedding day. I never had to go out of my flat to see them. All videos are shot from within the four walls. I'm sure you too can see them, if you open your eyes and ears a bit wider than how they are today.
The first guest is a Rosary and Parakeet. The rose-ringed adult male sports a red and black neck ring. In the wild, this is a noisy species with an unmistakable squawking call. Captive individuals can be taught to speak. They have survived the onslaught of urbanization and deforestation. These parakeets have also proven themselves capable of living in a variety of climates outside their native range, and are able to survive low winter temperatures in northern Europe.
This is our beloved drumstick plant. She is the transit home for most of the birds and animals visit us. She stood tall even during the recent cyclone Nisaga. It seems our parakeets sitting on it have a Z-category security of black commandos for their undisturbed morning naps in these rains. This is a red Whiskered Bulbar, who is a resident found mainly in tropical Asia. It feeds on fruits and small insects. Red Whiskered Bulbars perch conspicuously on trees and have a loud 3 or 4 note call. She is a red-vented bulbar, a resident breeder across the Indian subcontinent. It is included in the list of the world's 100 worst invasive alien species. Ashi Drongo is another uninvited guest we have. They breed in the hills of tropical Asia. The Indian jungle crow is very common and readily distinguished from the house crow, which has a grey neck. These are house crows. They frequently exhibit play behavior, such as aerobatics, mostly when they head for their communal roosts at dusk. When in couples, they are very shy. Look how they separated after noticing my camera. Our next uninvited guest is the Oriental Magpie robin. They are distinctive black and white birds, and common in urban gardens as well as forests. They are often active late at dusk. They sometimes bathe in rainwater collected on the leaves of a tree. This is the most unexpected guest I had in this part. Indian grey hornbill. It has grey feathers all over the body with a light grey or dull white belly. The horn is black or dark grey with a casque extending to the point of curvature of the horn. It is one of the few hornbill species found in urban areas in many cities where they are able to make use of large trees in avenues. Second part will be out in a week's time. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please do let me know your suggestions in comment box. All videos are shot from within the four walls. Thanks for watching and encouraging. See you soon in the second part.